Welcome back everybody to Boats vs. Haulover, where Man and Machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet in Miami, Florida. And it's a little bit of a rough day. We've got about an 18-mile-an-hour wind, quite choppy seas. As we can see, the washing machine is in full effect down here at Haulover. This yellowfin's not going to have any trouble, but let's see how the rest of our captains fare as they step in the ring and try and do battle with the inlet. Our first competitor to step in the ring and try and go toe-to-toe with Haulover is going to be a GLASSTREAM. Let's see how our captain rolls. This boat's at a little bit of a disadvantage. These GLASSTREAMs, a lot of them have a pretty low freeboard, and on a rough day like today, that can cause issues, especially if you're going to put people in the bow like we see our captain doing here. We'll move to our aerial shot so we can get a better view of exactly what they're going through. Right now, they look pretty good. Captain's got a decent pace. He's got the boat up on plane, but with this many people in the bow, he's really gonna have to trim it up. They take a good smack right there. Haulover's throwing it at him, and man, our crew is taking a heck of a ride, and Captain backs off the throttle. That's a mistake, and they stuff it. Our crew just got a little air off of one of those waves. Right here, we'll see it. They smack down hard, but just before that, Captain had pulled back on the throttle, causing that nose to drop, and unfortunately causing our crew to stuff the bow and take a loss for the boats here in the first round. Here in our second round, we're going to feature a FREEMAN stepping in the ring to try and do battle with the inlet. These are Haulover killers right here. I actually had the opportunity at the Miami Boat Show to test the new 28 FREEMAN. Man, what an amazing ride these boats have. Look forward to a video coming out on my channel, Broncos Guru, on a review of that 28. But here this crew's experiencing the same thing I did. A really soft ride, it lands soft, cuts through the waves, and they're gonna have no issues and take a win for the boats here in the second round. And here in the third round, we're going to feature a 26-foot WELLCRAFT stepping in the ring with Haulover, and these guys take a big plop up front. We've got some bow riders, so Cap's probably going to have to take it a little easy, but man, our crew is taking a pounding as they try and make it out of the inlet. It's not the greatest day here, and a 26-foot boat, even though it's capable of getting out, is probably going to be a rough ride as we see. But I can't believe these guys are hanging on the bow like this, but Haulover is throwing just a ton of rollers at them. Right here we see they're waving, having a good time, but man, you can see how hard they're landing, and these guys are taking a pounding up front. They make it out okay, but I'm gonna go ahead and give this one to Haulover, as these guys are gonna remember this beating for a little while. That'll take us into the fourth round of our contest with Haulover up 2-1, as we're going to feature a statement stepping in the ring here in the fourth round. And our crew's taking a little air. A little trim probably helps smooth this out a little bit, but they've got the boat up on plane, throttle's pinned, they're kind of just skipping across the top of the waves now. This is a good approach for them. It's going to work out, and these guys will take a win in the fourth round, and that'll bring us to a 2-2 tie. As we move into the fifth and final round of our contest, who will take a win? Will it be the boats or Haulover? And we've got a SEAVEE stepping in the ring to try and finish it out. Right now, it looks like they have a pretty solid approach. The boat's just barely up on plane. They're trying to keep the bow high. They've got a heavy following sea. You can see them dipping into the troughs, but they look good on the approach, trying to keep that bow from stuffing into the wave in front of them. And I don't think they're going to have any issues. And our crew, they're going to take a win for the boats here in the fifth round, and that's going to give the boats the win in this episode. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Boats vs. Haulover. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we've got the Miami Boat Ramps channel that focuses on all the hilarity that happens at the boat ramps in South Florida. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.